Are you struggling very hard to get a perfect figure, exercising in the gym for hours and hours? But do you know? By having some homemade drinks before bedtime, you can burn those excess fat stored in your belly. In today's video, we will share 3 fat cutter drink recipes. These natural drinks will not only help you to lose belly fat faster, but also, it will replenish the deficiencies in your body with essential vitamins and nutrients. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. How to get rid of belly fat in 3 days without exercises. Recipe 1. The Mint Detox. Every ingredient in this recipe is super powerful for burning fat. Also, this drink is able to relieve pains and aches. Take a large mason jar and fill it with 25 ounces of water, and a green tea bag. Put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now slice up 1 lime and 1/4 cup of mint leaves, and drop it into the water. Take out the green tea bag, cover the jar, and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes again. Drink this before bedtime daily. Recipe 2. Berry drink. This is one of the healthiest drinks, and along losing weight, it will stabilize your blood sugar levels, boost your energy, and prevent heartburn. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh frozen berries in a cup and mash it, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now fill the cup with water and some ice. Stir and enjoy. You can use honey to sweeten the drink. Recipe 3. Spirulina and Kefir. This drink will kick your metabolism into high gear, by flushing any lingering toxins out of your digestive system. To make this drink, just mix 2 tablespoons of spirulina powder into a glass of kefir. And drink it before bedtime. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.